Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix my time zone on Twitter. So let's just get started. So what happens is you're in one particular country and your time zone is that particular country, and then you travel and your country time zone won't change. So how you can fix it, I will just show you guys. So firstly, what you do is just be in this platform of twitter.com, and then on your left you'll see this more option. Just go over there and go with the setting and privacy option, and then over here you'll be having a lot of options: your account, monetization, premium, creators, subscription and all. So you can go manually, or easy step is what you can do is on the search bar just search for country like this, and then you'll have this country over here. Just go with it and you can choose the country that you are in particularly. So I'm in Nepal right now, so I choose Nepal, and your time zone will be fixed automatically with that particular thing. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.